In this video, I'm going to walk you through an important features within Microsoft Edge called as command palette. Now, what is a command palette? Command palette is uh, a capability within Microsoft Edge whereby you can run keyboard-based commands to execute some operations within Microsoft Edge. Now, how do we do that? Is like if I click on this three meatball icon over here, and if I click on more tools, then I can see command palette. So I can alternatively navigate using Ctrl Q. Let's see what happens. If I click on Ctrl Q, I see a search bar appear over here. Now, what all things I can type over here? I can type, say, let's assume tab. Now, if I type tab, I can say quickly create new tab, bookmark this tab, move tab backwards, bookmark all tabs, previous tab. I can navigate, I can search tabs, and I can see all the keyboard shortcuts over here. Okay. What are the other command I can type? Let me type window. Okay. Now, if I click on window, I can create a new window. So let me create a new window now. So I created a new window. So let's assume I open, say youtube.com over here. Okay. And now let me come here in this tab. So I've opened youtube.com in another tab of the same profile. Let me again go do a control Q and say tab, and let me type window now. So if I type in window, now I can see this functionality of merge current window into. So now I have two window. Now if I want to merge that other window into this window, I can click on it, and then it will show me the other window tab. Now if I click here, watch what happens. That other window will get appended into this window. Okay, so click here, and then you see this window has now two tabs. Okay, so like this we can execute productivity based commands within Microsoft Edge. Let's explore other options what we have. If I put an angle bracket, okay, I can see a lot of dev related stuffs. So if I want to quickly show a console, okay, I can do that. Okay, so if I say click on panel show console, I can see the console very clearly and immediately. Okay, let me close this. I can again, I'll navigate, I put an angle bracket. If I want to show the mobile toggle device emulation, if I do that, I'll be in like a mobile device toggle emulation mode. Then let me put another command. If I let me write something called set dev, I can open dedicated dev tools for Node. I can disable JavaScript, and whole bunch of commands I can execute. Let me just type say dev. Okay. Now the moment I put type dev, I can see all the flags which are available within Microsoft Edge. I can navigate through the flags, and so on and so forth. So it's a useful utility tool if you want, if you are like a keyboard person, and then if you want to execute Edge commands with keyboards rather than clicking on the UI. This is a very handy option. Now, what if this option is not available in your browser? Then what you can do is like you can in the command bar you can just type edge colon slash slash flags and search the flags called as command palette. Now, if this command palette is either disabled or if it is not available, like if it's disabled, then make sure that it is enabled if it is not part of the release of the browser, if which you have currently. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it adds value to the discussion. Thanks a lot.